part of the Unity College show team. So we have 4 different teams of goats, sheep, dairy cattle and steers, which are beef cattle. So as a part of the teams, you get to come and do 1 training a week during lunchtime with your chosen team, whichever you should choose.
The thing I enjoy most about being part of the Unity College Ag program is the fact that I get to spend time with these beautiful creatures who are just beautiful to work with most of the time. The skills I've learnt through the Ag show team is probably resilience, because they're quite trying in the show ring. I believe I'm going into the Ag career. I want to be a vet when I'm older, so I haven't really chosen if I'm going to do small animals or big animals. I quite enjoy working with big animals like cows, but at the same time, horses scare me. So.
We are actually very lucky. We have a very supportive community. Not only do we have some great breeders that help us with supplying of the animals or loaning us animals, we work very closely with the breeders and giving them updates on how their animals are going, as well as asking them for advice on if we're having some tricky issues with feed or some health matters.
The skills I've developed as being a part of the sheep team would probably be more leadership for me, because being one of the oldest in the team, there's a lot of new people coming up from the junior school that don't know as much as like I do, I guess.
I think I do see my future in agriculture. Right now I don't know what I want to do when I leave school, but I'm hoping that by doing subjects that I like, that can help me decide later on what I really want to do.
The thing I most enjoy about the Ag program at Unity College is the amount of time we get to spend outdoors with the animals and the gardens.
So the skills that students gain, other than just ag-related skills, it's preparation skills, so not having to just organise yourself, but also being a part of a team as well, so teamwork skills, time management, making sure that you're using your time effectively and getting your animal prepared ahead of time, not rushing and doing things at the last minute. They all learn public speaking skills because of the junior judging workshops that we do in Unity Show, so everyone has to talk in a microphone and present out loud. It's handling skills, so paying attention and observing things as they go, making sure that they're aware of their surroundings is a good skill as well.
The goats are really funny, and they're good for starting people like me, because I've never done any ag stuff, and I think just because they're kind of like dogs and they do stuff, because I'm good with dogs, it really helps. It really helps calm me, so it's like a stress reliever thing to do for me.
I really like goats because, like Riley said, they're almost like dogs. They're quite small. They're not like the really big beef or dairy.